This is Perry coming back at you with something brand new. This is the brand new Selmer Signature Tenor 84 model, and it is replacing the SA80 series of saxophone, primarily based after the Series 3, but with improvements. And they just replaced their top-of-the-line tenor with the Supreme, and that replaced all the references. This, as I said, is replacing the SA80 series, which has been their most popular. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have here. This is truly, as you can see, the first look. These are brand new, never laid eyes on it or played it before. New case. Looks very, very similar to the Supreme case. I don't know if it's identical or not, but it looks similar. Black, the Supreme case is blue. Let's take a look at this puppy. It comes with a really nice cloth, which reflects the Art Deco engraving. Nice pearls. They kept the brand new 3-point neck receiver system that's on the Supreme, and that's a great, great thing, because that is a wonderfully positive improvement to the saxophone in general. Beautiful looking dark lacquer. Nice engraving. That's very nice feeling. Ooh. I'm looking forward to playing this. Oh, that's nice. One of the first things I do when I judge a horn is, how's it pop, how's it feel in my hand, how's the neck go in? And it either feels just like it should or it doesn't. This feels like it should. And sounds like that. I'm ready to play this thing. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's nice. That subtone should tell you everything. This is a very, very nice horn. It is based on the Series 3, and that's how it feels, but no Series 3 ever felt this good to me. This is really, really nice. Not that I dislike the Series 3, but this is wow. Let's see how the ergonomics are. Very comfy, very nice. Well, the new Selmer line will be the Axos, the Signature, and the Supreme. And that's a pretty dang nice line. I gotta say, one of those three is gonna fit you. I would think, and I like all three tenors immensely now.